Welcome to Kiddy Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a flying unicorn cat with the help of some colorful balloons. First, draw the unicorn horn. Then draw the cat's ears, one on each side. Connect the two ears with a semicircle to make the face. Then draw the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the whiskers. Draw the back of the cat's butt. Then draw a short line from the bottom of the head. Draw the cat's two front legs and the belly. Draw the two back legs, one partially hidden behind the other. From the cat's back, draw the long tail. Decorate the tail with a couple of stripes. Draw a string going around the belly, ending with a bow above the cat's back. Draw 3 strings coming out of the bow. At the end of each, draw a balloon. Congratulations! Now you can draw a flying unicorn cat. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection while coloring, leave some white lines without color. To make a 3D effect, use a darker color to make shadows on some parts of the drawing.